AES Group, which redefines the standards in its sector with the production of wood, marble, plastic and aluminium processing machines, is a global company that submits the best service to its customers all around the world since 1989. AES Group is located in Bursa, with its 16,000 square metre closed area production facilities, and is the leading company of the local market in woodworking machinery production. It has been covering the demands of its worldwide customers with its 3,000 square metre showrooms that are located in Belgium and the USA. AES Group targets the highest quality with the consciousness of being a world brand and giving the most appropriate solutions to its customers' needs by producing innovative and competitive products. AES Group has been producing products with developed production infrastructure and modern quality control processes conforming to international standards and improving products which meet the demands of the market by means of increasing R&D investments. AES Group is in service with its professional and experienced team in the market. Its global sales network, which covers every country in the world, provides services by its expert team in installation, training, maintenance, repair and spare parts, and guarantees to meet the global customers' needs rapidly and completely. Over 25 years, ever-growing and developing AES Group has been working towards being an indispensable solution partner within its customers by means of its high production capacity, professional personnel, global sales and support net.